Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome back. I am Salon Diva V, and today we are planting peas, y'all. Peas, yes. All right, y'all. So this is what the actual pea looks like. This is one that I grew last year, and so what I'm going to do is just kind of squeeze it so it can open up, and then you guys can see what it looks like. Oh, and I'm dropping peas. Oh, you guys can see what it actually looks like in the pot right there. So I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 peas in the actual pot. I'm not going to plant all of them, but that is the peas right there. Let me get from behind the camera. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them in this pot right here. These two plants were damaged from the storm that we had the other day. So I went in and I cut back everything from these, and I forgot one. So I cut back all of the dead leaves, restructured everything, added some more of the bars in there. You guys probably saw that in my last video. If you haven't, go back and watch the last video. So I'm gonna put my peas right there, and I'm gonna add some more soil to that pot. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna move really fast because this is my second time filming this. It's hot outside and my camera keeps cutting off. So I've actually watered, let me bring you guys down some. I've watered this in. If you guys can see, I have actually put my hose in there, and now I'm just gonna drop the peas in each one of the holes. Make sure your soil is watered in. Make sure it is nice and well draining, that you have some perlite up in there. So I'm just pushing my and then I have one left, so just going to put this one in here for good measure. So I'm going to cover them up like so, and hope this video don't cut off on me, y'all. So the soil is nice and moist because I just... Okay, y'all, so camera overheated again. So just like the camera can overheat, guys, we can also. So make sure when you are in your garden that you're staying hydrated. Cover yourself, stuff like that. Take the precautions. Yes, it's fun to be in the garden, but we have to protect ourselves also. So the peas have been watered in, and everything is done with that. So waiting for them to grow. I didn't want to close the video out like that, and hopefully I brought you guys a public service announcement. So guys, until I see you in the next video, make sure you share me with your family and your friends. My hand is in the way. Share me with your family and your friends. Hit that like button. Leave a comment down below if you like the video. And until I see you guys in the next video on this third, I think, or fourth and final time of filming the ending for this video, you know what it is. Peace.